I'm thinking of putting new window blind in Damilola's room. Okomi, you started. You're not listening to me.
You said you're thinking of putting new blinds in Damilola's room, didn't you?
Yes. So why don't you answer?
What do you want me to say? You already had the room repainted like twice. You changed the rug. You even put in a new bed. One would think it's a visitor coming, and not our own son who grew up in that same room.
See, I'm just trying to make the room comfortable for him. You know, there's a level of comfort he must have been used to by now. With those years in UK.
Okay, do what you want to do. But do not hide behind comfort. Because I know that even in England, in the United Kingdom, there are hotels that are not as comfortable as this house.
Good morning, Dad.
Hey, Linda, how are you?
Fine. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. How are you today?
Very fine.
Have some chips.
Thanks, Dad.
Don't worry. Our father's daughter.
Daddy, can I go to the Galleria with my friends?
Sure.
Thanks, Dad.
You're not going anywhere. Why don't you tell your daddy what you're going for start at 8?
Is that true? Oh well, young lady, you better make sure I meet you in this house when I come back. And where is that silly boy? What time did he come in last night?
After you went upstairs. I'm sure he's in his room sleeping.
Okay. You tell him it's either I meet him in this house when I come back, or he had better look for a new place to live.
Oh, come me.
Linda, you can have mine.
Thanks, Dad.
When I was young, I used to hear the things that not always what they seem to be. Oh, yeah.
A friendly smile, they say, can hide a vicious heart, helping hand, some hidden thought.
I mean, you have taken him to the pubs and made him spend some good money. Hey, come on. All right, sir. I'll tell Ada. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Amen. Hannah.
Mr. Isaac, good morning.
And all our differences, they connect one to another.
Hello, concept advertising. Hey, I'm sorry. Iron Lady came in and there was nothing I could do. Yes, but why don't you make that to us closing? Yeah. Alright then, take care. Bye.
Why do you have to be so antagonistic?
I'm not being antagonistic here, sir. I don't just think it's proper. There are so many models we could settle for if you don't want the one we picked, sir. But that girl, Rita, no. She doesn't just have that look of innocence the campaign requires. She's rather word wisely, almost 30.
Dennis, you've made your point. You don't have to get insulting.
I'm sorry, sir.
Now, Make her to be the girl's friend if she can't be the main girl.
If you insist, sir. But you'll have to do me a memo instructing me to do so.
Dennis.
Sir.
Get back to your office. Now.
That's my instruction, you must carry it out.
Even at the end of my life,
I don't care whether you have multiple sclerosis or not. When I give an order, I expect it to be carried out.
well, too bad, sir, because I don't have the intention of risking my life because of anybody.
Trisha! Come back here, Trisha! Trisha!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you? And how is work?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Bolaji, how are you? Why are you looking so angry?
It's she, sir. She's the reason. Look, you better start looking for another job somewhere else because I can't stand this insubordination any longer. Excuse me, sir.
Come back here, Bolaji.
Sir.
I am sure that she did not mean to be rude to you.
Oh, she did all right, sir. You should have heard the things that she said to me.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You apologize to Mr. Joe immediately.
Sorry, sir.
You see? Simple.
Thank you, sir. Look, that's the second time that he's saving you. But I can assure you that the next time you cross my path, you'll be out of this company before even he finds out.
Come into my splendor. Seize the spider to the flower. Come into my way. Let's have a drink tonight.
See how you're crazy. Look at this. Okay, like this one is so out of this world. Is this simple? Nah. Okay. I don't think so. It is. I saw someone. Yeah, this is exactly. Brenda. Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine.
Come and see you.
Please. Or just try.
No way.
Take.
No,
Calm down.
No.
Take. Try this.
Jesus.
Give me. Yes! Who is that? It's me. Mommy, I'm coming. I just got out of the bathroom. Mommy, I'm coming. Brenda. Ma? Mommy, go.
Brenda.
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon. What is smelling here? Oh, it's my body spray. I think I just got out of the bathroom. No, this is not just body spray. I smell smoke. Yes.
Smoke?
Were you smoking in here?
No.
Oh, it's from the window.
Yes.
Yeah. Like we're saying.
See the dress you're going to get it. That was close.
Chris, what is happening? Why is she taking so long to change?
I hope you're not trying to teach me my job here.
Welcome, ma. Welcome, sir.
Dauda, meet Ada, group head, creative.
How do you do?
How do you do?
So, how is it going?
Yeah, it's going well. It's okay.
Good.
Spider. Spider.
Ada, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ada, what kind of a model is that? She is not my idea of a model, so go in there and tell that photographer to stop that session now.
Mama, I think it's the makeup. I'll ask Chris to turn it down a little.
Do whatever you have to do to make it right.
Chris. Chris.
What is your problem now? You're distracting me.
What is wrong with you?
Chris.
I'm a group head creative.
What is wrong with
and
you?
You will listen to my orders.
Why don't you go inside and talk to the photographer yourself? She seems to be having trouble with him.
Chris!
What is wrong with that? What seems to be the problem here?
I was just going to ask Chris to turn down the makeup, and he said I should not disturb him.
Young man.
Yes, mother.
If you want to continue doing business here, please do as you are told. Is that clear? Is that clear?
I understand, ma.
Good.
At least, show some appreciation for the compliment you repeat. How about?
Okay, thank you. Satisfied?
Wait, hope you're not going out. Remember what Daddy said?
Don't worry about that. I'll be back before he does because I'm broke right now, okay?
Why do you always bother with him?
Yes, John, come to my office right away.
Yes, madam. Any problem?
Yes, there is, and it's you. What scam is going on between you and the Life Friends people?
Scam? None, madam. And why do you ask?
Why is it that despite my warnings after the Sun detergent fiasco, that our clients don't want us using them again, I still get recent invoices from them?
It was during the Fizzle Pop campaign. Besides, we couldn't get to the Digiprint people.
What do you mean by that? You are in this town, the same town where their office is. What stops you from going over to their office? What do I tell Otumanis people? Are we going to be paying them with our own money? This is the last warning, John. The next time I get a Life Friends invoice on my desk, consider yourself history with this company. Do you understand?
Yes, madam. I'm very sorry, ma'am.
Pray that we are able to convince Ontuba to accept the slip.
Yeah. When I was young, I used to hear the things are not always what they seem to be.
Excuse me, madam. That's what delivery for you, ma'am.
A vicious heart, helping hand, some hidden thorn could bear.
He remembered me today.
I've learned in his life that I lead.
Gabriel.
Eyes locking in many corners, and all our different terrors, they connect one to another. And life is just a really largest fight.
Don't you know you should never keep a lady waiting?
I'm sorry, darling. I had to stop over for a brief meeting.
I was just getting your food ready.
Yeah, I can see that. But I'll have to take a quick shower.
Okay. There's some dry towels in the wardrobe. I'll be waiting.
I wish that I could really turn back the hand of time. I certainly wouldn't have made the mistake of marrying.
Please don't talk like this, Agnes.
Why won't I talk like that? Do you know when last he and I had any form of intimacy?
It could be fatigue. I once read from somewhere that fatigue and stress could affect a man's libido.
No. This is not fatigue. Look, when we had just met and he was still a boy in that company, when he worked so hard during the day, one would have expected that when he comes back home he will be tired and go to bed. But no, he will still want to be intimate with me. Now that he's a big man in the company and he works even less, shouldn't he be doing more of that?
Let me tell you something, Agnes. The reality of marriage is different from that of romance. The more successful a man becomes, the social demands increases, and then the first place that suffers is the home.
So, is that alright?
I'm not saying it's alright, but this is just one of the things we learn and accept in life.
Why? Why must we accept it? Is it because it's a man's world?
I'm not saying it's a man's world, but this is the only way you can be happy, especially in these recent times.
How can any woman be happy when all your husband does is come home after midnight most times? Takes his food, take a bath, and then go into his study for some time, and then go to bed.
The happiness I mean is that wherever he goes, whatever he does, and who he meets, he still remembers to come back home to you. There are so many men out there that don't even come home at all. So you should be happy, please. These days, you know. So be happy, my baby, be happy. Just have to be happy.
That's painful. It's sad and painful.
I'm sorry.
Madam, I don't go.
It's okay, just drop the keys.
Good night, madam.
Good night. Where is it?
It's me, darling.
Doing good. Should I get to your regular?
Yeah, my regular.
What's wrong?
Who's this from?
It's from an old friend of mine who likes playing the mind game with me.
Are you sure he's not interested in playing the bad games too?
You know, I actually think that their generation is worse than ours. Yes, I mean, we still told the middle line, but these ones, they are just extremists.
Not all of them, Otumba. Take a look at your son, for instance.
Which one of them? Kolade?
Of course not. I'm talking about Olamide, the one we visited in school when in London.
Oh, damn it. Now, God bless his soul. That is a fine young man. You know, when I compare the two of them, I'm thinking these two are not from the same stock. They are the direct opposite of one another.
Exactly like my sons. The older one is more responsible compared to the younger one. Maybe it's an age thing.
Really?
Yeah, it's an age thing.
Well, maybe then there is hope for my Kolade.
Of course there is. It's all a matter of time. Just give him a few more years and you'll be amazed at the transformation.
I hope so. Well, at any rate, now that Damilola is coming home, I can go for my medicals.
Well, gentlemen, I'll be back in a minute.
What's wrong with him? He hasn't been saying anything, come to think of it.
Isn't the reason obvious, Otumba? How can we both be talking passionately about our sons in the presence of a man who has only got 2 daughters?
I didn't think of it.
Why are you like this, Chris? It's just a bouquet of flowers.
Just an innocent bouquet of flower. Look, with a message that hardly veils the sender's real intent.
Chris, please, don't let's argue about this, alright? I don't care what his intentions are. All that matters is, I'm not interested.
You're not interested?
Yes, I'm not.
Yet you kept them. You kept the flowers. Or did he send it before you got back?
No, he had them sent to the office.
Oh, you brought them here from the office. You couldn't leave them there in the office. You had to bring them over to the house. And yet you tell me you're not interested in him? Aren't you going to say something?
Look, Chris, I'm not a child. There is no hidden agenda. Don't you think I'll be stupid bringing them to the house knowing fully well that you come into this house anytime you like and you enter into any of the rooms? Wouldn't it have made more sense if there's something to hide and I leave it in the office?
Oh, the office?
Yes, the office.
So, it's in the office you hide your secrets, huh?
Why shouldn't I be? I tell you the truth about something, and you turned it against me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? It's just that sometimes I freak out at the thought of you being with another man. I can't stand it. I can't. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's not.
I'm so sorry.
You know, I think you should really stop bothering yourself. I don't think any woman will want to be with any other man after she's been with you. You know what I mean?
I'm so sorry, okay?
It's alright.
I'm sorry.
You don't come again with all this your cock and fowl be waiting story. I know one.
No, Eze, are they serious? Are they serious?
Okay, now waiting happen.
They say he don't run follow that boy when they play for Carlos Band.
Chineke me. Which guy? I beg, Livinus. No tell me say na Rasta.
Na kuku Rasta now. They say now when everybody they sleep, na she run comot.
Follow me. Oh! And we dey talk am. We dey talk am now.
Not be Josiah Kosa. How you go dey allow your wife to dey go beer parlor alone? Sake of say they come from America.
No mind that. No mind the useless man. Now the thing wey dey happen with that. When man no fit control him house. Man na head of family. Na him dey wear the trouser. You no say trouser na sign of authority.
Na so as you talk am so I come see say na true. Because long time ago for Bible, na man na dey wear trouser.
You see, that na why na we God give authority to control family. Na only useless man like Josiah they allow them wife they wear the trouser for house.
But some women harsh.
Nothing, Livy. Nothing. You see my wife Amaka, as she reach to, she know who be her oga. She know say once I talk say this thing. Now here I go there. They no born away to argue. Whether she like him or whether she no like him, she must obey before complain. Now you both talk say as you lay your bed, now so you go lie on top. So as you do your family, now so you go get them. If you do your family well, like my own, it's easy. One, you go get control. But if you go to and jaga like that useless Josiah own, Livinus, now Rasta go carry your wife go.
God forbid bad.
Na so.
Eze.
Livinus. Rasta go carry. Oh yeah.
Daddy Nico.
How are you?
How was your day?
Just cool.
That's nice.
Take this upstairs, huh?
Okay. Daddy, welcome.
What was that?
Migo.
And look at her crossing her legs.
You're a bit late today.
Spider. Spider.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. I was just concerned about you. You know what our roots are these days.
Okay. Thank you for your concern.
Should I bring your food now?
What is it?
fresh fish, banga, and starch.
I'm not hungry.
I can make you something else if you want.
Didn't you hear me just say I'm not hungry? I already had something to eat.
Hey, Betty.
What?
So you ate out and you didn't bring anything for me, eh?
Oh, so you had that too. Well, would you have loved to take garden egg stew and yam?
What is that? Daddy, I know you didn't have that.
Honest, I did.
That's not true.
I did.
Work they close. Where they come from by this time?
When I they came, sorry, I mean when I they come, I met my friend Livinus.
Oh, Livinus! Hey, that useless man, that foolish man will not get work for this town. She na that kind of person my own husband look finish to follow my friend. Is it?
Amaka, no, they call Livinus jobless. You self no say Livinus get work.
Which kind of work? Tell me which kind of work. Hey, driver. No be say the motor save na even your own motor, another person motor. Instead of say Livinus go save money buying your own car, you go there waka the whole town. They shout go, they play pull up and down. Now that kind of person, who throw ya kadimu hocharoge semenyi na nobodo kwe. Eze kpacharanyagi. Mind yourself, oh, if you don't also mind yourself, Eze.
No verse. Amaka, no verse. I beg, no verse. Make you no verse. Make you no verse. So I beg, weigh my food.
Which food?
My food.
I beg you go make your help. I make I can't give you soup. Which income? I beg, Eze. Leave my daughter. My daughter don't go sleep. Leave her, she don't go sleep. If to say you come back on time, she help you make food. Next time you go remember to come home on time. Useless man, Livinus friend. I beg. Come on for road. Pass.
Come into my splendor. Sees the spider to the fly. Come into my way. Let's have a drink tonight. Come into my splendor. Sees the spider to the fly.
It's easy to say until you find yourself in it. You understand later.
I don't think I'll ever understand that one. For me, marriage is no bounds. It's a no-go area. So I don't understand what you're saying.
Really? Yeah. I used to be idealistic about it too, you know. But I got to realize that success in this life is about getting what you can, when you can.
And what is it that you're getting from Otumba that you can't get from a younger man? Eh?
If I didn't know you too well. I don't understand it. If I didn't know you too well, I'd rather say you're losing it. Where did I get all this from? Where did I get my car from? I'm just 25 and I'm already an assistant manager. Which young guy would put off with all that?
See, that's not the point. The point is this. To him, you're just a surrogate.
And he will never leave his wife for you. So what's the use? What makes you think I want him to leave his wife for me? So what's all this about? You take life too serious, Ngozi. Okay. Sometimes people come together and have fun. What gives you the impression that I want to get married to Chief or become a second wife? When the time comes, I'll find a young guy to love, marry, and probably have lots of babies. Right now, I'm just trying to secure my future and have fun. So let's have fun. Let's have fun. Okay, let's have fun.
I declare my everlasting love for you. Yes? Who is it?
It's me, Mom.
Come in. Come.
Hi, Mom. I thought you might be asleep.
I was just about to. You wanted to see me for something?
Yes. It's about Dad.
Dad?
Mommy, why do you let him run all over you? Why don't you ever stand up to him? Look, I know it's none of my business, but honestly, I sometimes get so pissed at the way he talks to you, especially when we are there.
It's okay. I have made my mistakes. And I have to live with it. But you, my daughters, don't have to. One of the greatest mistakes a woman can make is to marry a man who cuts off your self-esteem. It's my prayer that you two, my daughters, don't have to suffer the same fate.
Amen.
So, how is Hassan?
Okay, I guess. I spoke to him some few days back.
Days? Are you having problems?
Do not forget to invite the Shuaibs. Remember that their son and Damilola were close.
Okay, but Fred, you said you wanted a small thing. And we've already invited over 20 families now.
So, my son hasn't come home in 5 years. I want to throw a big party. Some people don't like it, and then sue me.
Okay, I will just inform the caterers to be on standby in case we decide to increase our guests.
What?
I hope you're not exacting yourself too much lately. Remember what the doctor said. And considering the fact that you've not come for medical checkup in months.
Yes, I know. But once this is over, I'll quickly go for it.
Ah, good. In that case, I'll just use the opportunity to see Auntie Me in Cardiff.
No. No.
Why not?
The two of us cannot leave this country at the same time. Who will look after the children?
Abba, Fred, they are not kids. How much mischief can they get up to before we return? Besides, Damilola will be here to keep eye on them.
No, Damilola will be too busy with Solitaire to keep an eye on these ones. Don't give me that you are deliberately not trying to take me with you look. Don't give me that look. Look at what Kolade is doing right under our noses. Coming home late, drinking, smoking, fast driving, and all sorts of friends. And you can't leave him alone. He will just go haywire. Listen. We will all go to England, but it's going to be at Christmas. Then we can have a nice, white, happy family Christmas. That I can promise.
Hello, Mom.
What?
Can I get 5,000 naira from you?
Is that why you burst into my room? Young man, out. We'll talk about this tomorrow morning.
No, Dad. I need it tonight.
What do you need it for tonight that cannot wait until tomorrow morning? My friend, out! Out! Ah. Foolish boy! Arrest my case.
There is such thing as knocking on the door before you walk into someone's room, isn't there?
Next time, turn your earpiece low enough to hear when someone is banging on your door.
Okay. So what do you want?
Brenda, look. I don't know about you, but I don't like the way things are between Mom and Dad.
And how is that supposed to be any of my business? Of course, you know there's nothing I can do, so why are you telling me?
There is something you can do about it, Brenda. If only you stop fraternizing with Dad every time he's been nasty to Mom, he'll soon stop doing it.
You're not serious. I should stop talking to Dad whenever they have a quarrel. Please excuse me, I beg. What's that one?
Give me that thing.
What's it now? What you... Yeah, my room! What is that? Stop it! Both of you! Will you stop that? Stop it! Stop it! Come here! Leave your sister! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Brenda! Oh man, what is it? Get out of my room, witch!
Don't talk to your sister like that, okay?
Tell her not to ever come to my room again. Come to me. Let's go. Get out! I don't want to see you here again. Stop it. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
Hello. I'm here to see Otumba. He's not in. I know. He told me to wait for him.
Auntie.
Are you down? How are you?
I'm fine. Daddy's not around though.
No.
But he'll soon be back.
He's actually on his way back.
Okay. Can I get you something to drink?
Not to bother. I'm okay. Okay?
Oida, stop disturbing your auntie now. Can't you see she's already too big? Huh? You want to add to her problems? She will not find a husband though, if she added more weight than this.
Never. Auntie is too much of a babe not to find a nice guy.
Thank you, darling.
Magarai.
Excuse me, Auntie.
Okay, darling. Tolai. That was unnecessary.
Shame to bad people. Shame to bad people. Shame to bad people. If you see my mama, tell and say, I dey for Lagos. I dey see all these them bad people. If you see my mama, Nana, shame to bad people. You for talk now.
Call me. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry I had to make you cut short your sporting activities.
Sorry, that's
I'm
okay.
really sorry about it.
That's okay. I mean, I was looking for an excuse to come home already. Yes, you didn't offer your friend any drinks?
She actually had, just that I refused.
I see.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Now, have you told her about Damilola's party?
Call me, you're rushing everything. I mean, we've been talking about so many things that I forgot to even mention it.
What? Go on.
Sorry. We're having a party for your son, Damilola. Remember I told you we'll be coming back in a few days' time?
Oh yes, you did, yeah. I'm sure it's going to be a nice party.
Good. Now, let me get out of these clothes, and you will have my undivided attention.
Okay,
all right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to disturb you, but there's something I want to see you for. If you think that the timing is bad, I could come back later.
Look, why don't you get it done with? You've already broken my flow as it is.
I'm sorry. It's the girls. I met them fighting in Brenda's room.
So? Young people fight all the time, don't they?
I mean, I met them fighting physically.
Oh my God. Agnes! Agnes! Who is it?
It's me, Pastor Ben. Bless you, mother.
You're welcome, Pastor.
Bless you. God bless. Easy onto this house.
Pastor. Always nice to meet you.
Sir. You're blessed.
In fact, I was just telling my wonderful, beautiful wife here that we'll make our time before the week runs out to see you and Madame.
Bless you.
Please do sit down.
Bless you. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Darling, why don't you get the pastor some juice? We can always continue our discussions later, huh? That's good. You're welcome, sir.
God bless. I'm always happy when I come to a happy house, especially when there is love between husband and wife.
It's God's grace, Pastor.
You are blessed.
It is God's grace.
Good. You are blessed.
Be able to wear this again.
Why? It still looks new.
Yes, It's last summer's design, but it just won't fit. And by the time I'm done with dieting and all, I'm sure it will have become a fashion crime. That's true. Why don't you have it? I'm sure you can still fit into it.
Are you serious?
Yes. It's better you than the Salvation Army.
This is really beautiful. Thank you. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh.
Hi, gorgeous.
What are you doing in my office?
What kind of a question is that? I came to see you, of course.
I thought we had an agreement that whatever we have should be restricted to the house.
That doesn't mean I can't come and see you once in a while. Moreover, it's a Saturday.
That doesn't change anything. Some members of staff around will be wondering what a contract photographer is doing in my office.
Oh, so I am only good enough to grace your bed. I mustn't be seen with you.
Chris, let's not talk about this here. We'll discuss it in the house, please.
No, we'll discuss it here and now.
Chris, get out of my office. Get out of my office, else I call security.
Spider. Spider.
Coming.
Yes, madam, I have this for you.
Please, walk Mr. Chris here to the reception. On your way back, call me the security people.
Okay, madam. Excuse me, mister.
Kola. I don't know if I should have the same people do the barbecue and the small chops. Oh, you've started again. Say something.
Didn't I hear you just say small chops?
Yes.
Should you be talking about small chops to a big man like me? You're talking about big chops.
Thank God you're stuck to business. Anyway, I'm going to divide it.
Let's go.
Have you decided on what you're wearing to the party?
Not really.
Well, I need you to decide on time. I want to know which gilly to pick with my friends.
You want to pick gilly again?
What's about Mrs.?
Please, woman, you won't kill me. Well, whatever you do, just remember to tell Tari. I wonder how come you guys are still friends when you don't remember to tell her anything.
Yeah. Well, yeah, she will get to hear about it.
Good afternoon, madam.
There's nothing good about the afternoon. How come somebody was able to enter the building and walk straight into my office without anyone stopping him? So if it was a hired assassin that had come, he would have killed me and gone without anybody accosting him. Who was at the gate?
Namima.
Where is Paul?
You go chop.
So how come he was able to enter and walk past you without you stopping him?
He tell me saying get appointment with you, ma. And I think they come here very well. That's why I allow him enter.
That's absolute rubbish.
Madam, no verse, I beg. I don't even know whether the man take hold me.
Look, I'll let you off this time. Next time I won't be so lenient.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
I won't make you tell me why you no want make this girl go that party.
Now that party where she won't go. Now you go make and pass the jam exam where she won't do. Eh?
So now the party where she won't go today, go make her no pass jam exam.
She chop foul leg. Eh? I want make she sit down for her house here. Find something where they useful do. Instead of to the gallivant up and down.
Hey! Now today I know say true. Poverty na sickness. Hey! Oh we jaw easy. Eh? You know what make your daughter go rich man house go enjoy? Eh? Now that what they do you. Eh?
No be waiting they do me be that. Amaka. I just know what make my own daughter. They spend plenty time with those useless children of that useless man who don't spoil finish.
Yeah, man. Eze, you be useless man. Instead of saying for happy say your daughter, they follow rich man make friend. We be say tomorrow they feel help and better in life. You dey hear the jealous sound. By the way, now she say make you no get money. Eh? If I talk now, you go say you know how as they take make their money. Why you self no go look as they take make money, make your own. Make all of us self they enjoy. Don't worry. You must go to that party. You hear? I did here. I talk and say that party you must go there today. No mind your father.
Oh, baby. It's fine, all right. A chip off the old block. Yes, by all ramifications. You know, I actually wanted him to arrive quietly, take over quietly, you know, get into the groove of things. But his mother, the woman wants to throw a big party, invite everybody. And you know how you women get. She's even going to select Gilly with her friends.
That sounds like fun.
Oh, yes. With the amount of enthusiasm that Tolani is putting into all this thing, it should be fun.
Can I come?
Come to where?
The party. I like to be at the party.
Are you serious or are you pulling my leg?
I was actually serious about it.
You must be joking. I mean, how could you possibly expect me to invite you to a party in my house where my wife and children will be?
Why can't you? At least nobody will know who I am. And I certainly won't be talking to you.
Trisha, where is all this coming from? I mean, what's all this sudden obsession with coming to the party?
I just want to see how you look like at a party.
You have seen me several times going to parties.
Yes, on your way to or from a party, but never hurt. All the time I ask you to take me along with you, you keep refusing me. And now, this one, that I don't have to be with you, you're also refusing.
Jesus, why are you doing this to me? Do you think I could be comfortable knowing that you are within the same vicinity as my wife, with the children?
Just pretend I'm not there.
No, you are not coming. And that's fine now. Listen, I'll make it up to you, but you can't come. I may not be the model husband, but certain things are sacred and they should be left like that. I know that some men do it, but I, Alfred Kolawole Cole, I'm not one of them. And I never will be.
mold into my splendor. Says the spider to the fly.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
But it's not in now.
Maybe when I'm gone, you'll have time to think about this. And then you can see it from a different point of view.
I'm sorry. Please stay. I never meant to get you upset. I just want to be there with you at your moments of joy. I'm sorry.
You are so evil. Stop what you're doing. You better stop. Someday you will be cut up, spider.
I don't forget to tell you, say, Josiah's wife don't come back.
Eh? Which time she come back?
They say she come back last night.
So now where she come dey now?
Where she go there again? Not be husband house she go there.
Is it full amount? Chai, I don't die. Living you, they don't bury me. In fact, I don't rotten. I dey smell. You mean say that man still take her back after she follow Rasta go?
Now so then talk now. Then say Josiah talk say na domestic matter. So make anybody not put mouth.
She don't give her something chop. Eh? Or else no man will call himself man go greet that kind thing.
Oh.
Livinus, if my wife and Maka follow me try that kind thing, no be that she for don't die since.
Now so now.
Ha! I don't give from her. See, one small thing when she go do like this, when not suppose vex me at all. Now so I go vote for her. Shout! Make she for take no who be oga.
Eze. Now so he suppose dey. Now so he suppose. So how last night? Say you quit reach house.
My brother, I don't know how I take reach house, but I know say I reach house.
I know say everybody go don't sleep because my eyes see pepper before they open door for me.
Then fit try that one for my house. Eh? See, the time when me I reach house, everybody see the eyes wide open. Amaka want to make one kind small inyaga. Can they ask me say, and where they come from? Yes. Now my look and walk and bad eyes like this, like James Bond. Go shot for them. Come on, go bring my food. Nonsense. If you shot, you take just that. Wow! Enter inside there. No nonsense. No nonsense.
Out of your life forever.
Why?
Oh, you asked me why? Why didn't you ask me that when you were embarrassing me in your office?
Chris, please don't take things this way. What you did this afternoon was wrong. You had no right being in my office. Now, what impression do you think my staff would have had of you being in my office?
Who cares? Who cares about what your staff think?
I care, Chris. I care. I'm the boss. I have to. Look, Chris, look. There's a certain image of me I have to maintain in the office. Otherwise, it will be near impossible to maintain discipline at all levels.
See, that is no excuse. That is no excuse for having me walked out of your office like a common criminal.
Okay. Chris. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Chris, I tried to make you leave, but you were adamant. When Mr. John walked into the office, I did the only possible thing I could. Else he would spread the news of you being in my office faster than you can spell your name. You wouldn't want us to have that, would you? Hmm? Come on, smile, come on. Hmm? That's going to do me, okay?
Come into my splendor, says the spider to the fly. Come into my way, let's have a drink tonight. Come into my splendor, says the spider to the fly. Fall into my trap.
Call me Daddy Kins.
Yeah.
Call me Daddy Kins.
Yeah.
What's making you smile?
Yeah, I've not seen this episode before.
Oh, really? Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, I want a favor.
And what's that?
You see, today is Ella's mom's birthday and the family is holding a small surprise party for her.
So?
So, if you allow me go, I'd be the most grateful daughter in the world.
Isn't it rather late to go for your party? And when do you plan to come back?
I should be back by, say, 10. Yes, I should be back by 10. All things being equal.
Brenda.
Sir?
In the event of inequality?
Daddy, if for any reason I would be even a second later than 10, be sure I'll call you before then. Trust me. True.
Okay.
Thank you, Daddy! Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So, what did he say? Don't mind him, man. Just give me one excuse after the other. What did you expect? Did you possibly expect that he will invite you to a party in his matrimonial home? Who says I was going there because of him? I just wanted to let him know that I don't mind coming. So you would have gone there by yourself? Of course not. Why do you think I keep some of those my young toasters? I just called any one of them to take me there. See, that is not even the point. Yeah? The point is that it is only a man with a perverted mind that will feel comfortable to have his wife and his mistress under the same roof. I would rather you did not refer to me as that. Okay, sorry. Girlfriend. But most men will cringe at that idea unless they are no longer interested in their marriages. That's why the percentage of men who leave their wives for their mistresses, girlfriends, is quite low. Yeah? Those women out there are just diversions that these men will not want to bring close to their families. It's true. So get used to it. Anyway, who cares about the stupid party? I'm sure there are no interesting people there. Yet you wanted to go. Just to see another side of him. Do you know, observe him as a father, a husband, or just to know where he lives. Sha, you have to be careful. I think you're getting too soft on this guy. Eh? Like they say in American films, just get the money and run. Because you can't have him for keeps. There's no point getting emotionally attached to him. Just get what you can get when you can and move on. Tired of this life, Seth. Can't I just have a young guy of my own? You. Can you date a young guy without money? I decrease. I beg, come on forward, make I pass. I cannot eat your cake and have it.
What are you doing in my room? Is this what you're wearing to Ella's mom's little birthday party?
Betty, you have no right to be here.
You shouldn't have lied to that.
That's absolutely none of your business.
It is, little sister. You know, it becomes my business when you lie to my father.
Your father? Who told you your father? Your real parents abandoned you.
Cute. Considering the fact that we look alike.
We look like you. We don't look alike one bit. I'm pretty and you're ugly.
You know what? I shouldn't be having this discussion with you. This discussion is better with you and Dad.
But for God's sake, Betty, why are you always like this? Eh? Can't you just stand the idea of someone having a little fun?
Not when it comes to them lying to their parents.
And so? Haven't you ever told a lie before? No matter how small? But Betty, why are you like this? Why do you always try to be so perfect, so proper? Must our idea of fun be the same? Can't I just choose to be a little bit imperfect? A little bit normal?
For your information, I do have fun. But I'm not just as extreme as you. Excuse me.
I'm off, Mom.
Where to at this time?
I'm hooking up with some of my friends and there's somewhere we have to go to.
I hope you told your dad about it.
I told him more than a week ago. If he has forgotten, that's his business.
Koladi, that is rude. Do you have to talk like that? Obajesha?
Okay, sorry.
Anyway, just go and don't be long. And remember your brother is coming back tomorrow.
And what does that have to do with the price of DVDs in the market?
A lot, in fact. And not just the price of DVD alone. Because very soon your father will be retiring. And Damilola will be taking over the running of the company. Which means he will be responsible for the family's upkeep.
Well, before that time comes, I would have long stopped depending on Nicole's fortune for survival.
Any problem here?
Except for your brother here, who wants to disinherit himself. Rather be cordial with an elder brother who should be his role model.
You see, that is exactly the problem. Must I always see him as a role model? Must I join you all to worship at Damilola's shrine? Every time I'll be hearing Damilola this, Damilola that. What?
What is this?
I think we should start considering his own feelings too.
I never knew you felt so strongly about it.
Spider. Spider.
I'm sorry, that won't do. It's either the 20 or I get someone else. Okay, let me have the Chapman maker's number. Please hold. (332) 811 25. 25. Yes, 25. Yes, thank you very much. And please be early today. I need you to be here very, very early. Please. All right then. Thank you. Bye. Can you imagine? They think they can chance me. Ha! They don't know I was brought up in Isanibu. What next? What next? Darling.
Can I have a small party in the garage for my friends?
When?
Tonight now, during the main party.
Windamola. Why would you want to have another party inside of a party?
I just thought it might be cool, you know. We might have our own songs and not have to bother about the adults.
The more reason why I won't let you have it. Before you know it now, all of you are getting up to all different kinds of mischief. No, you can't. I'm sorry. I'm going upstairs to get the decanter, okay? So please help me with a soft drink. Oh. You better straighten that face of yours, or else you won't find anybody interested in you tonight. I'm not ashamed. Oh.
Don't worry, darling. You just try to be the best operations manager the company's ever had. And no one will be able to stop you. Yes. Well, just there. Waiting for the president to read his budget. Yes. Hold on a second, son. Keep there. Yes, you were saying? Oh, come on, son. This is very funny. You promised. Okay then, I'll be expecting it. My regards to Monica or whoever is #1 on the chart for this week. Yes. Okay. Love you. Bye.
Oh, this man. What is this? Well. My regular coffee, please. Thank you.
But why? He didn't give me any reason in particular.
That's not cool. Everybody is going to be there. Isn't there somebody that can talk to him? I can't believe your daddy can do that. If it were an all-night party, I'll have understood. Oh, if it were holding in a stranger's house. But what people he knows. I doubt if a week passes that he has no reason to come to the house.
I don't think he likes you that much.
Why?
My mom says it is because your dad is rich and he's not.
Please reverse jealousy. But he shouldn't let that affect us.
Look, Oida, I guess you have to fill me in tomorrow.
What I really think we should do, Isaac, is to create a marketing department separate from sales. From what I hear, all those sales boys are just using our vehicles to pursue their own private businesses.
Honestly, I heard similar reports and presently I'm investigating them.
Good.
If we can sort that out and the union people taken care of, I don't see any reason why we cannot meet up with our yearly, targets.
No, but we normally meet our target, so why can't we now? I thought I told you that I don't want to be disturbed. Oh. Okay, send him in. Isaac, let me present to you my first son, Obaoluwa Damilola Cole.
Dad, my boy! Oh, my dad!
I missed you, Dad. I missed you.
Good to have you back here.
Same here, Dad.
Come in.
Good day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Dennis, what is it?
Sir, there is a bit of a problem with TCOM's people.
What is it?
They say they don't like the T/slash promo commercial.
Which is it? Is it the TV, press or radio?
The television, sir.
TV. So what did he say is wrong with it?
According to him, he said the models are artificial and the sound not properly mixed.
Who actually got in touch with you?
Mr. Kunola, the head of marketing.
Just as I thought. Have you spoken with Tony?
Not yet, sir.
I think you should. We sent them top professional and experienced models. And at the end of the day, Tony forced us to use his Richard girlfriends. And now they want to turn the heat on us? No. I think you should call Tony and let him talk with his people.
It's alright, sir. So, but what about the sound?
Have the production unit do a remix.
Alright, sir. The model, sir. Don't you think you and Mr. Kunola could sort things out?
I will do no such thing, Dennis. Look, they forced those girls on us. His boy actually did. And so they should be able to call Tony and deal with him on that level.
Well, the reason for the suggestion is I have an insider information that they are reviewing the advertising retainership this year. And I think we should be in their good book.
Dennis, I don't want you to worry yourself about that. Losing TCOM's accounts at this time will be one of the most convenient things to happen to us.
You know that? Yeah. Every time I'm on Wall Street, I almost feel I'm back on Broad Street. Except that most faces on it are white and the tempo is the same.
It's the money, my boy. It's the money that moves the tempo.
How true, Dad. So, Dad, tell me about this Solotel thing.
Solotel. Yes, Solotel was formerly owned by government until we purchased it during the last privatization campaign. No, as a matter of fact, we acquired it 100%.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'll come back.
Come.
Let me introduce you to my first son, Damilola. Trisha, Miss Jacobs is one of our youngest assistant managers here.
Nice meeting you.
The pleasure is mine.
When I was young, I used to hear the things that not always were the same to be.
This smile, they say can hide a vicious heart, helping hand, some hidden thought could bear.
But most of all, I've learned in this life that I lead. So many secret lies, locking in many arms. And all our differences, they connect one to another. And life is just a really
Not just find a way. Come into my splendor,
sees a spider to the fly.
come into my way.
Let's have a drink tonight.
Come into my splendor,
Sees a spider to the fly.
fall into my trap. I'm old and gray, seen and done it all. I've learned to search and read between